Hey everyone! With just a few clicks, you can use xCloud to set up a queue worker for your Laravel application right from your dashboard. Let's jump into the tutorial straight. Log into your xCloud dashboard. Go to the Sites tab and select your application from the list of deployed Laravel apps. Now let's go to the Laravel option from the left sidebar and choose Application from the menu. Inside your application dashboard, locate the Laravel Queue tab. Then hit the Add Queue Worker button. You'll now see a pop-up form with several fields, such as connection, queue, maximum seconds per job, maximum memory, and number of processes. Choose your queue driver, like database, Redis, or anything else. You can keep the rest of the fields as it is or adjust them based on your app's needs. When you're ready, click Add Queue Worker to spin up your new background worker. Your jobs are now ready to work. Once added, your worker will be managed by a supervisor. You'll see options to edit, restart or check out the output of the worker. You can even delete the worker anytime with just a click. And that's it. This is how easily you can set a queue worker for your Laravel application and manage it seamlessly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.